Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fade in and fade out a video in CapCut. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The first step is to open CapCut. Now import your video. I have my video here with a couple of different scenes. Let's add a fade-in effect at the beginning. Select the video on your timeline and click on this animation button. Now a bunch of animations will pop up on the screen, and make sure that the in is selected here. Then find the fade in animation and select it. Now you will have an option to adjust the duration by dragging the slider. You can set it to a second or two for the best effect. Now if you want to add a fade out effect at the end of your video, simply select the out section here and then fade out. Select the duration of your fade out animation. That's it, we've successfully added fade in and fade out effects in CapCut on your iPhone or Android devices. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.